Welcome back to Auto Vortex, where we bring you the latest and most luxurious rides from around the world. If you're looking for a full-size SUV that blends rugged capability with first-class elegance, then you're going to love what Lexus has done with the 2026 LX 600. The Lexus LX has always been known for reliability, luxury, and serious off-road chops. But in 2026, it's taken a bold leap into modern luxury while keeping its legendary toughness intact. This isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a flagship statement from Lexus. Under the hood, the 2026 LX 600 continues with the impressive 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering a strong 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that offers buttery smooth shifts whether you're cruising on the freeway or climbing steep trails. Lexus made a conscious decision to move away from the V8 without sacrificing performance, and it absolutely works. The power is responsive, the acceleration is confident, and the towing capacity sits comfortably around 8,000 pounds. But what really sets the LX 600 apart is its ability to move seamlessly between two worlds, luxury and off-road adventure. With full-time four-wheel drive, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and an adaptive suspension, this SUV can handle just about anything you throw at it. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling dirt trails, the LX stays composed and confident. Interior. Step inside, and you're surrounded by Japanese craftsmanship at its finest. The 2026 LX 600 interior is all about comfort and sophistication. Premium semi-aniline leather, open-pore wood trim, and precision metal accents give it a refined, upscale feel. The dashboard is dominated by a dual-screen setup, featuring a 12.3-inch upper touchscreen for navigation and media, and a 7-inch lower display for climate and vehicle controls. It's intuitive, responsive, and cleanly designed. For audiophiles, the Mark Levinson 25-speaker surround sound system is nothing short of a concert hall on wheels. And with available 4-zone climate control, massaging front seats, and even executive-style rear seating in the ultra-luxury trim, the LX 600 takes passenger comfort to a whole new level. Safety is another high point. The 2026 LX comes equipped with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, including features like pre-collision detection, adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and a panoramic view monitor for enhanced visibility. It's engineered not just to protect, but to predict and prevent. On the exterior, the LX 600 maintains its bold, commanding presence. The signature spindle grille has been slightly refined for 2026, and the overall design is more sculpted and aerodynamic than ever. The LED headlights and taillights have been reshaped to give it a futuristic edge, while new wheel designs and color options keep things fresh and eye-catching. In short, the 2026 Lexus LX 600 is the perfect marriage of old-school toughness and new-world luxury. It's more refined, more capable, and more connected than any LX before it. And it proves that luxury and adventure can absolutely coexist in one powerful package. Thanks for watching Auto Vortex. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Lexus LX 600, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury automotive content, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new release. Catch you in the next video.